no roundabout here. So continue following the road ahead until you get to the roundabout. When you get to the roundabout, right third exit. The lane change was necessary, you needed that, so that's good. So which direction are we going in? Left, right, up, down?
Right, third exit.
How would people know where you're going? Good. That had a potential of failing your driving test.
Because I started the signal too soon.
No, because when you come off the roundabout, you were almost past your exit. So you should have come to the left after exit number 2.
Okay, I needed to
move to the left, yeah.
On the left.
At the roundabout, turn right, second exit.
Where's he going?
So signal left, come to the left. Look in the left door mirror. You will have an accident doing this, look. You can see a full car.
So I needed to be a bit even more.
Okay, the highway code teaches you or instructs you to come to the left after the exit before yours.
Okay.
So you should have been to the left just before you exit.
Okay.
That's why you can see a whole car in the left door mirror when you're doing whatever you're doing.
And I shouldn't be able to see.
Yeah, you shouldn't know. You should be able to see the car, but not the whole car. At the roundabout, go ahead, second exit. So let's see on this attempt, let's see you improve that, okay? You're in the middle of 2 lanes, and
So
that was your approach. You're in the middle of 2 lanes.
Yeah.
You should have been to the left when you approached the roundabout, so you're on your side of the road. Yep.
So if we could maybe return tomorrow to this place.
Roundabout, yeah. Well, if you remember this as Scottall King Lane.
King Lane.
King Lane, yeah. Then I'll remember as well. At the end of the road, turn right.